Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 139 Chestfield Road, a deceptively spacious detached chalet bungalow offering 4 double bedrooms with ensuite shower room. You've got the study and bedroom 5 if you wish, and then of course you've got a very spacious lounge with wood burning stove, brick and double glazed conservatory, large fitted kitchen diner with dual aspect, a gorgeous 106-foot rear garden with log cabin, the garage as well here with the in and out driveway with plenty of off-road parking, and of course you are in Chestfield, a very popular village location close by to the golf course, only a few moments walk down the road. So coming straight through into the hallway here, we're going to go across and take a look at the lounge, a beautiful open room here with the wood burning stove forming a focal point of the room there in the fireplace with that beautiful beam across there as well. Heading through into the conservatory, a gorgeous space to enjoy overlooking your 106-foot rear garden. You can see a little glimpse there of the log cabin as well. So again, a really fine addition with regards to reception space here on the ground floor with the conservatory. Heading across, we've got the kitchen diner, a beautiful open space here, lots of light coming through from the windows to the rear. You've got access out into the back garden from here as well, and the kitchen comes well equipped with a range of appliances, both fitted and loose as well. Lots of light coming through with dual aspect as well, and plenty of space there for the dining room table, and again another little glimpse out into the rear garden. So we'll continue on and take a look at the bedrooms up next. We've got 4 double bedrooms with the ensuite shower room. We've got the main family bathroom, and we've also got bedroom 5 or the study, depending on what you need in the property. So continuing on the tour on the ground floor, we're going to head through and take a look at 3 bedrooms and the main family bathroom. So having finished the tour of the ground floor, having looked at the 3 double bedrooms there, and of course the main family bathroom, we're going to continue upstairs where we've got 2 further bedrooms, and of course with the ensuite. So the first one here, fantastic amount of space, lots and lots of light coming through from the Velux window there, and also the window to the rear. You've got that fitted wardrobe storage on the right hand side as you enter, and on the left hand side as we exit the room. Beautiful views of the surrounding countryside here from number 139 Chestfield Road. And then of course the ensuite guest bedroom here on the first floor. You do of course have some fitted wardrobe storage there as well, and the ensuite shower room. So we're going to head out into the back garden in just a few moments, take a look at that cabin, and of course then we'll reconvene and go through a couple of the property's key points. So there we have it. That has been number 139 Chestfield Road, a deceptively spacious detached chalet bungalow with 4 double bedrooms and ensuite shower room, bedroom 5 or study, spacious lounge with wood-burning stove, brick and double-glazed conservatory, large fitted kitchen diner with dual aspect, 106-foot rear garden with log cabin, garage and in-and-out driveway, and a fantastic location here in the village of Chestfield, close by to the golf course. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.